I got me another tankless water heater, and I'm kind of like a caveman, but I'll show you my steps for getting the copper out of it, and we're just going to get started. I just get as many screws out of it and see how much I can open up out of this thing. I almost feel like this video is like a cooking show, except I don't have like 4 of these prepared ready to go. Boom! Get out of here. So I know the copper is right in here, so I'll start disconnecting and cutting things as much as I can through here, and get this piece out. And literally I'm just gonna go around and unscrew as much as possible in this whole unit. Anytime I see screws, I will get them, but this is a decent company here. They got everything pretty much. Don't have a lot of screws on it. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove as many screws as I can here, cut as many wires as I can here, and I'll be right back in just a second after I do that. Now I'll make a couple of cuts, right here, peel it back. That'll help me get those screws out, and then maybe with a pry bar I'll get this whole chunk to come off, and we'll see what's next. So let's have some fun doing some cutting. Again, I got my headphones on, and let's go take a look at this and see how we do. All right. Good on one. All right, good on 2. Thank you, Ryobi. No, I'm not a paid sponsor. Okay, next. Pull it down, get it around. Let's get some more of these screws out. Good. And totally, for you other scrappers out there, if anyone, you guys always give me good critiques and tips, so I appreciate that too all the time. A lot of good copper here, so I definitely want to get it out. And I know some of you even do more work to get even more of the good metals out of here. As I've mentioned before, I've got limited space for storage here in Southern California, so everything I do is kind of like off the back of my truck. Kind of quick and easy for me. Let's start to get that there. Oh, I got to peel that little piece off. Okay, that's next. I'll get the pry bar in there. All right, I was able to peel that off. Pull this back a little bit more. Get a few more screws out. Easy peasy. Oopsie daisy. All right. Look at this copper goodness. And almost making good progress here to cut this out and get this chunk out. So probably make some more cuts and keep on peeling. I'll be back in a second. Okay, a couple more cuts along here and on both sides, so I could pull these sides down, get these screws, and then it's pretty easy, I think. So here we go. I'll cut this stuff right now. Back to it. Away we go. Well, for sure, I shouldn't be somebody's heart surgeon. I can tell you that. Whoa. Ooh, look at this good looking copper. Get that out of there right now. Whoa. All right. We'll clean that one up in just a second. Get all this copper goodness out of there. Okay. Making progress. Let's get to the other side. Definitely got more copper goodness over there. Make a little cut, get on down here, and away we go. Thank you, Diablo. No longer painted on that blade. And here we go. I think that's going to be good enough. We'll find out in a second for sure. Peel this back. Gloves on, of course. Ooh, more copper goodness. Looky here, looky here, looky here. Cut that out while we're here. All right, nice little chunk. Okay. Do a little snipping. Oh man, always something. But again, this is just me. Don't ask me to be your heart surgeon. I'm gonna like grind and get this stuff out of here as fast as I can, because you know, time is money with this stuff I'm concerned with. I've got so many other things I got on my plate. I love getting this copper out there because the copper tastes so well. Oh man, look at that. Easy peasy. Cut it out easy. All right. Got a bunch of goodness there. Work on that in a second. More good tools. Well, I can't reach around for that last screw, so I'll just make a long cut here. I might lose a little, might gain a little. At least I'll get it. All right, look at that. Got ourselves a nice hunk of the goodness of copper. And if you guys follow, he's another great scrapper, Scrapping with Grandpa. Go check him out. I always give him a shout out. He's just doing good stuff down there in North Carolina. This is a nice heavy, man, I almost want to do like my kettlebell squats with this piece of copper. Not too bad. Anyway, that's how I get that out. I'll do a little more trimming, get some of this other goodness out, trim this stuff up, and man, you got yourself some copper goodness all right there with a bunch of easy cuts. Appreciate you guys, man. Give me a thumbs up. Appreciate it. Any comments for better ideas, really appreciate it all the time. Thank you guys for watching.